Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Lecture number 19, combination of resistors. So combination of resistor is the same topic as that of the combination of capacitor in a previous chapter. Definition is same, circuit diagram is same, only resistance will be replaced by capacitor or capacitor will be replaced by resistance. Methodology is same, conditions are different. So there are two types of combination of resistor like capacitor. One is called series combination, and in this lecture we will discuss series combination of a capacitors. Series combination of a resistors. Definition: that type of combination of a resistor in which there is only one path for the flow of current is called series combination. Circuit diagram: we have three resistors R1, R2 and R3. These resistors are connected with each other. The resistance of the first resistor is R1, second R2 and third R3, and these resistors are connected to the external source or voltage V. The current will flow in this direction because current always flow from higher potential towards the low potential. Now when the battery switched is on, current supply is started to the circuit, current will flow, will pass through the first resistor, then to the second resistor, then to the next one. Now in this case voltage drop across first is V1, across resistor 2 is V2, across resistor 3 is V3. What is voltage? What is voltage? Voltage is something different to define, but in any electrical circuit, voltage means pushing force on the charges or on the electron. So battery will push charges. These charges will move with a fast speed through resistor R1. When it passes and entering to the resistor R2, then its speed will reduce because of the collision due to the atoms in a resistance R1. If it passes from R2 to R3, then its speed will be further reduced. So in this way, voltage V1 will be greater than V2, V2 will be greater than V3. Therefore, the total voltage supplied by the battery is equal to the V1 plus V2 plus V3 as shown in equation number 2. But the current in series will remain same. Why current will same? Because if battery supply 10 charges, these 10 charges passes through R1, also through R2 and also to R3 because path is only one. When the path is one, no same amount of charge flowing, that's why current will same. Current will same. Now we are taking equation 2 in order to calculate the effective resistance or the equivalent resistance or the combined resistance of all these three resistors. So using equation number 2, we can write that V is equal to IR. If it is V1, then it will be I1 R1. If it is R2, it will be I2 R2. If it is R3, V3, then I3 R3. This is equation number 3. Put 3 in equation 2. Then IR equivalent is equal to I1 R1 plus I2 R2 plus I3 R3. As from equation 1, all the currents are same. Any I1 is equal to I2 is equal to I3 is equal to I. So put I1, I2, I3 as a I. So IR equivalent is equal to IR1, IR2, IR3. Taking common I on the right hand side, so R1 plus R2 plus R3, I will be cancelled with I. So R equivalent, R effective resistance will be equal to R1 plus R2 plus R3, which is the required result. Note, equivalent or effective resistance REQ equal to the sum of individual resistors. That always appear in the form of MCQs in paper. Thank you and have a nice day.